Hello po, this is CJ, and it's been a while since I posted the videos about properties. So today, I am excited to show you this beautiful 80 square meters house located in Santa Maria, Bulacan. What's unique about this video is that it's taken right after the typhoon hit the area. And I'm thrilled to show you that this village remains flood-free. Moving inside, you'll notice the spacious living area, perfect for family bonding. And the kitchen is modern, making it perfect for cooking and entertaining. What I really like about this house is the staircase. It's kind of unique na nasa gitna siya. It's like having a grand staircase in a 80 square meters house. And kahit nasa gitna siya, it doesn't occupy too much space. Instead, it serves as your sleek divider between the living area and the dining area. To the bedrooms. Each room is cozy and provides ample natural light. For this house, we have 3 well-designed toilet and bath. Each floor has common toilet and bath and 1 for the master bedroom. That's a wrap for today's house tour. If you're interested in learning more about this property or would like to schedule a viewing, please don't hesitate to message me. Again, this is CJ Mentilia. Let's find the perfect home.